How to change game mode EQ in CS2. So first, you simply need to go to your settings right here. Now, once you are there, just go to audio. And here, when you scroll down on the audio page or audio panel right here, you will see the game mode EQ at the very bottom. So you could change the EQs that you want for every game mode. So let's say you want a different game mode EQ on competitive game mode, or you want a different one for deathmatch. So it's really up to you. So you could either use natural, crisp, or smooth. You could try it out on deathmatch to see what EQ is best for you or what best EQ is for your preference or something. But I leave mine to default, but you could also use like something like crisp or natural if you want. So you could mess around with these settings and see what's best for you to improve your gameplay. And that is basically it.